Hey everyone! One of the most common questions I get about Card is how to link a button to a different page. Since Card is technically a one-page builder, moving between content can feel a bit tricky in 2026. Today, I'm showing you the two exact ways to do this, linking to an internal section and linking to a completely different URL. Let's get into the editor. Step 1. Select your button. First, open your Card site and click on the button element you want to link. This will open the Properties panel on the left side of your screen. Step 2. Linking to an internal page, section. Since Card sites are usually one long page, we use control elements to act as new pages. Look at the URL field in the button settings. To link to a section on the same site, type a hashtag followed by the section name, like #contact or #about. Make sure you have a control element, the blue dashed line, named exactly that further down your page. Step 3. Linking to an external website. If you want the button to take the user to a totally different website, simply paste the full web address into that same URL field. Make sure you include the HTTPS at the beginning, like https://google.com. Step 4. Setting the Open in New Tab option. In 2026, keeping users on your site is key. Right below the URL field, you'll see a checkbox or drop-down for Target. If you're sending people to an external site, change this to New Tab so they don't lose your page. If it's an internal link, keep it on Same tab for a smooth transition. Step 5. Test the link. Finally, click the Done button and then hit Publish at the top right. Open your live site and click the button. If it's an internal link, it should jump or scroll instantly to that section. If it's external, it should open the new page exactly as planned. And that's how you navigate your users through your Card site. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.